Hi everyone, so today I'll be trying out this Griffin Simply Joyful Easel card making kit. Now I received this as part of an auto ship. I think it might be the last one. I feel like we've received a lot of them, haven't we? But it is available there on HSN now, just to be picked up. So if it's something you're interested in, I'll have it linked in the description box, possibly embedded in the video here under the word shop products or something like that. Maybe a little shopping bag under the video title. There to HSN, that would be an affiliate link, which means I'll make a small commission for your purchase items to those links. So thank you for using them if you would like to. I know HSN right now still has their free shipping and their Black Friday deals, so another perk there. I believe I probably did a whole unboxing of this whenever I first received it, but I don't recall, so we're just going to look at it real quick. Again, these are so easy. They take minutes. I mean, the hardest part is deciding what you're going to pair up, right? So let's just go for it. So again, they come with, your bows, your journaling tags, or, your signature card, however she calls them, flourishes. Some of them are, more like holly and things like that. This is a Christmas set. It comes with the dimensional adhesive. I mean, it's all there. Your topper pieces, your background pieces. I don't feel like I even opened this, to be honest. I feel like I went through it. I must have. Anyhow, so you have different shades of greens and something that's gold, but it's kind of like a pea green, really, a little bit darker than that. So you have those. Then you have these background pieces. Hopefully I've already gone through this. I don't want to go through it really quickly if we haven't seen it before. But again, just beautiful, typical Christmas colors on those with the borders. Yeah, I do remember going through this. And like this one has like wording. I guess it's like this, really. Oh, that's cute. New shiny bicycles, hot cider, spiced something, sugar plums, something shoppers, gifts, best wishes, peace, all kinds of fun things on that. And then your card bases, of course, your envelopes. So I'll put that to the side. We'll check this out in a minute. Card bases. And the same colors we have here. So, I mean, you can match them, matchy, or you can kind of mix them up, you know what I'm saying? So if you wanted that background on this one, you can definitely do that. The handmade by is on the back. So it's definitely just the one color all over the paper, which is really cool. I really want to use the script one, and I think to show more, maybe I'll use the card base with the script. Because the other one, you're going to cover it up quite a bit. So let's just use that. I mean, we can make some choices now, I guess, since everything's out. I'm going to do red, a nice typical red for the topper part. And then I'm interested in this gold only because it's not really gold, but it has the look of gold. But it's different, right? I mean, honestly, to me, I'd go with like the dark green. That's pretty. Let's go with the dark green. I was going to use this one for you guys just to have an example, but I mean, you have examples there, and it's just kind of an interesting gold color. Tons of stickers, of course we're going to need those, and then sentiment. So let's kind of look at what we're looking at. Let's look at what we're looking at, and then we'll go from there. I mean, I can do some more green. Love and best wishes to you this Christmas. Christmas greetings to you. Warm holiday wishes. Oh, this one's so small. Like, I would like this one because it takes up more room, but you know what? Let's go with that one. I like the way it brings the red back in a subtle way there. Let me put away some of these things that I'm like getting out of the bags, and then I'll be right back. Some of these other items away. So let's just get started. Now, you can always build it up wherever you want, but back here it says handmade by. Maybe you can see it. I don't know. Maybe that's not the best. There it is. Paper for that. But you're going to pick this up and you're going to flip it forward, okay? Why it doesn't just come from the factory like this, I don't know. I think it's kind of funny. And then you also have another score line here that you're going to make. So just score that. And then this guy is going to hold your first piece, this base on. Now I probably should look at this because I don't know that it's symmetrical. I think it is. But just, yeah, okay. I think it's symmetrical. And I'm just eyeballing this. Now you're going to have a nice area down here. On the top it's going to cut off, so whatever you think, split the difference. And that is your easel card essentially, okay? That base part of it. And again, do you like to bring things up, pop it up already, or do you want to just glue that straight down? It looks like it really just hugs the same lines, so it's not like nestled in there. If you like dimension, I would definitely put dimensionals on the back of that, and then maybe just like here in these larger areas, just to hold it up a little bit. And it does give a nice look, right? Because it is a little more dimensional. I don't like putting too much dimension on these guys, but I like the way that looks. Let me see. Is it easy enough to do with these guys? Fine. I'm going to go through and I'm going to do what I just said. So I'm going to put them on these larger areas and then obviously all in here to support the card. And I will be right back and show you what that looks like. Okay. Okay. So again, on each of these and then just to support the card. And yeah, this really just fits right on the edges there, so I really got to pay attention. I'm going to turn this over and give it a squish from the back. That's just what I like to do. And so now we have that. And, you know, just that little bit of dimension really adds like shadows and it looks nice. Okay. All right, we're going to need some of these guys, I'm sure, to fill this in. And again, what I like about these Simply ones, honestly, is that it doesn't have a ton of things. So, like, you know, just a few items here and there, and you're good to go. I know some of the reviews are like, oh, it's not enough of anything or whatever, but I think this is plenty. And I mean, that's my opinion. Everyone has their opinion, right? Oh, I was looking at this bell, but there we have an example with the bell there. I don't like to do exactly what they're showing. This one has something going on. There we go. Let's look at these guys. So the flourishes, do we have left and rights? Do we have them all the same? We have these guys, left and right of those. You have your cute little hollies and left and right of these, which I love. This one, let's see what this might look like. Oh, you know what? This card needs to fit in the envelope too, so you can't really put too much off the edges because then it's not going to fit in your envelope, right? So let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, this is exactly 5 inches, so you don't want this going out too much. You know, I don't like covering everything up. Maybe a little higher on that. Get some gold up there. Maybe this guy down here. I do like a little something over the top. Can't cover up too much there. Do they have just leaves? That's not bad. There's a lot of green, I feel like. I mean, I guess we could do... Oh, these guys left and right. Okay, let me stick these down. I know I don't want to cover these up. And honestly, if you're going to cover up a lot of it, you can cut it. And that way you can use the other part of it maybe somewhere else or peeking out behind somewhere else. You know, just cut it. But I think we need some of this just up here. I'm going to do the same thing with this. Just peel it off and stick it down right on the other side. So I have that. So I kind of would like that, but maybe... Let's see here. I feel like it needs some greenery at the top, but we already have a lot of that, so maybe not. Actually, on the camera it looks better than what I'm looking at here. Sorry, I'm like so quiet. I'm just trying to see because there's just a lot of gold back there, but I don't really want to put anything else back there. Let's see. No. Maybe this little guy. No. Now that I look at it, maybe I should just leave it. Okay, let me play a little bit more. See if there's something. Oh, hold on. Like, see if there's something else that I can put back here. Then we can bring this down, maybe. Okay, let's see what we're looking at. If we bring this down, down, down. A little more red there. Probably could have brought these up a little bit higher. It's just, you know, they have the stickiness and I didn't want them to get in this area where it's just open. Okay, let me play with this a little bit. I'll be right back. I think I'm doing something completely different now. I'm putting the flowers at the top, a bough or a little sprig down here, and then I think I'm going to try to pull these back up. You know, these stickers don't really stick too well until it's like really stuck down. So I'm going to bring these guys up, and I think that'll be fine. Look how easy that was. Okay, there we go. And then if we have some of these flowers here, I haven't really arranged that yet or thought about it. This guy down here, there, and then still a bow. Maybe over here. No, actually that red is weird there anyway, so let's bring it down like that. Okay. All right, I think that's what I'm going to do. I know it's hard to tell. Let me put things away so you can see it better. With all this distraction, I'll be right back. And then also, you don't have to make up your own thing. I mean, you can look at this and, you know, go with it. See how she has a lot of the color in the background still showing? And I was kind of covering that up. But whatever it is that you want to do, of course. Okay, so let's get rid of this and these guys. So I'm just going to take the backs off of these guys. A lot of times I leave that on and I just use wet glue. I'm not going to push that down quite yet because I'm not sure. So it's up to you, you know. Again, you saw how easily those came up, but it's just after a couple days it'll stick better. It's just right now since it's fresh, it doesn't completely stick like super glue right away. Oh, maybe I should we go this way? That's cute. See, I'm just like messing with that. I think that looks cute. Okay, so I'm gonna go this other way. Oh. And I have these kind of perfect, but honestly, if you want to mess with them in a different way, they don't have to be perfect. You know, maybe one could be facing a little bit different direction. Okay. Come on. There we go. A lot of times I just gouge it with a piercing tool, and it'll help bring it up. That's cute, but maybe this goes under here. Hold on. I want the berries to show, but I don't want all the other stuff. The little stick to just be out here. Okay, I guess you see they're really just popping off. Okay. And again, this guy can also just be stuck down. It's a sticker, but there is some space here, so I think what I'll do is put some glue into some dimensional. So glue all around the edge, wherever that might touch, and then just a dimensional right down the center. That's really pretty. Okay. And this isn't really meant to be in the center of this area. You can see it kind of just, I'm trying to extend it all in here. That looks nice. Okay. And then we have this little guy. Now, if I had my hot glue gun on, I would turn that on, but I don't, so I'm just going to use this glue and just be patient, because it will hold it. It's just, obviously it needs a minute to dry, so let's just leave that there for now. And if we pretend I'm going to open it up, we need our card here. That can also be your stopper. You can leave it flat, maybe it has a sticker as a stopper, whatever it is that you want to do. Ooh, this one brings green and red together. This one also does the same thing, but maybe we bring in a little more green, or is that weird? I think that's pretty. I'm going to want to sign on this or do something, right? Let's see what else we can decorate that little guy with. See, that looks pretty. But the stopper would be way down here, you know? And if I put it up here, let's see if that looks good. Sorry, guys. Oh, okay. That way I can still sign on this. It's going to be flat. Is this a sticker? Yay! I mean, other than putting my own stickiness on that bow, which you can also stick down with a dimensional. You might see it, though. That's the only problem with that. This kit is like, it's all here, you know? Everything's ready to go and stick if it's not too cold. That was good though today because I needed to rearrange things, so that was good that it was there in a way that was like that. And I mean, I think it looks cute on the side here, so I think that's what I'll still do. Put that there. Sorry if you're hearing music. I've been listening and watching Hallmark movies just like literally for weeks now, and yeah, I just heard someone belting out some Christmas music. Okay. All right, guys, that is our card. So again, just making your choices. Everything is there. It comes out really pretty. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll have images come up. I'll have links in the description box, and I will see you all at the next one. Bye now.